Hi, I'm going to demonstrate how to use our family size lice removal kit from My Hair Helpers. So what you're going to need a wide tooth comb for detangling the hair, a spray bottle, you're going to need some clips, and some paper towels. Okay, here we go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to spray down the ends of the hair. And this spray bottle has my mint conditioner, 3 squeezes with water. And what we're doing is we're detangling the hair. Then we're going to put the lice removal oil directly onto the scalp. And what that does is it suffocates the bugs. And this oil is non-toxic. These products are much better than what you buy in the store because they're not harmful and they seriously work. So now we've done that, and we're going to detangle the hair, and we're going to start sectioning. And as we section, we're going to put a layer of the mousse enzymes. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to section the hair starting ear to ear. You're going to make sections, then you're going to clip up the hair, and you're going to comb through. Okay, swiping. See how easy that is? Just keep the hair really nice and detangled. And then what we're going to do is this fantastic mousse enzymes. What that does is it loosens the glue of the eggs. Put it right on the scalp. You only want to use the conditioner water mixture for the ends of the hair. Then we're going to start combing, getting all the buggies and eggs out. Okay? Take your time, swipe on a white towel so you can see that you're getting everything, because you don't want to miss anything. And what I like to do is I like to go under, okay, and use 2 hands. One hand to steady, all right? And then once she's clear, you're going to swipe on a white paper towel, making sure that you've gotten everything. Okay, we're going to see that we've got everything, all right? And then we're going to go up another layer. I know I make it look easy, but it really is easy. It's just all about combing. You just got to really be diligent to comb every single thing out. And as you're combing, you can add more oil, you can add more of the enzymes, you can spray more of the ends. You're just going up in layers. Okay, here we go. Make sure that you're putting the bugs in a little container of water so that they don't go on you. Here we go. So I use these products in my salons. I treat thousands of people successfully. I want you to go all through the hair, all the way to the top. You can split the top and then go side to side, 4 different directions, combing. Comb our hair backwards. And then repeat this whole process in 4 to 6 days, and you should be lice free. Okay? And then I want you to use the mint spray. It comes in my kit. When she goes to school, her hair's got to be up and saturated with the mint spray repellent. And then she's got to use the shampoo and the conditioner once a week. And then you can take a peek with your lice comb. Make sure she stays lice free. Thank you.